Hi, good morning. Paul here, the Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. That's what's going on with the Las Vegas real estate market. Last couple of days. Okay, today we've already got 17 new ones listed. Lowest price being a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a 1-car garage condo, 1,200 square feet in the Himalayas. How about that? Yep, looks like the Himalayas to me. Looks clean, pretty original, but clean. 204. Nice common area. Find out where the Himalayas is. Buffalo and Vegas. Right there, right outside of Summerlin. Good area there. Alright, let's go to the highest priced, $850,000 on Via Florentino. 4,600 square feet, 6-bedroom, 6-bath, 3-car garage with a pool, 2-story. Big lot, looks like. Nice kitchen. Double oven, big island. Wow. All this stuff. Couple of wine coolers, microwave, I don't know what that is, some kind of an oven of some sort. Big Sub-Zero, it's like just a refrigerator, it's gotta have a freezer somewhere else. Interesting. Butler's pantry. Nice place. Nice drone shot. Neighborhood of a lot of big homes. Wow. Tennis court even. I wonder if that's common area. Yeah, common area. Okay. Alright, so where is this? This is Rainbow and Farm up in the northwest. Wyeth Ranch. And how big of a lot is it? Half an acre. Okay. And yesterday, actually this is today with no pictures. 859, 9, 1-story, 4,500 square feet, built in 77, but no pictures. So yesterday, lowest price, a 2-story condo, 912 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 84, over on Scuba Drive. What was that? Huh. Interesting, something in another room over there. Probably that. Little porthole. That's why they call it on Scuba Drive. They put little portholes in it. Yeah, it looks pretty gross. Plain. Rancho there. Above North Las Vegas Airport. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Highest priced one as of yesterday. 50, 75, 3.1 million over on Oquendo. 5,600 square feet, 5 bedroom, 6 bath, 3-car garage, pool, spa, 95 built. Nice property. Little strip view there, gated. Bar outside. It's quite a outdoor entertaining area. But they didn't update the kitchen. The rest of the house is pretty dated but nice. Theater. Office. Another big lot. Quindle and Jones. Oh, the size of that lot. Wow. .9 acres. Wow. That is a big lot. Horses even. 3.1 million. Okie dokie. Well, let's do something different today. Let's just see what the most expensive single family home is. And what the least expensive, I can't do that. Too many to sort. Okay. Well, that's too bad. Okay. It's fun while it lasted. New listings, okay. Under contract in escrow we have 608. That's quite a few. Sold in the last couple of days. Price. Close date. Today's the 16th. This was reported this morning. Vista Del Rio, 274, 1482 square feet. With a pool and spa. Oh, wild color. It's interesting. Wow, even tile counters. 274, huh? Somebody must have really liked this house. It does have a pool, 274 with a pool though, and a little spa there. I wonder why they taking a picture of that. I don't know. Way up north. Okie dokie. Then yesterday we had a little 2-story condo, 864 square feet, $50,000. Wow. Boarded up. Wonder what happened to it. Must be a bank owned. Surprised they left the appliances there. Craig and Nellis. 14 days on the market. Yep, bank owned. So they paid cash for it. 47.5, and then it sold for 55. Must have had multiple offers on it. Okay. Previous. Got this one, 1,072,000, 5,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, pool, spa, built in 98. Oh, nice looking house. Good pictures. Nicely done. $1 million. Nice pool. Basketball court. Theater. Everything you could ever want for $1 million. And where is it? Wallapai and Dorel in the northwest. Okay. Well, sounds good. Well, I think that's it for today. We're almost at 12 minutes. I will talk to you another day.